Sa CCP, particularly sa division namin, yung Film Broadcast and New Media Division, yearly we have a call for Cinemalaya full-length entries. Scripts pa yun eh. We're calling for 2027 na kasi we have chosen the 2026 filmmakers eh. So soon, or at around February, we'll be calling for the 2027 competition. So scripts muna, tapos kung sino yung matanggap, ititrain kasi yun ng Cinemalaya. May film lab na tinatawag. For 2026, meron naman kami mga short competition. So yung mga works ng mga taga-Iligan, they can submit that to the 2026 Short Film Competition of Cinemalaya. Tapos yung pangatlo, yung Gawad Alternatibo, yun, nagko-call din kami ng entries mga around April. Gusto namin na maraming taga-Iligan ang mag-submit. Kung may request ng workshop, activities, send nyo lang sa amin. I cannot promise that we can deliver all, but maipapaabot namin sa aming mga supervisors. Basta, di ba? Tulong-tulong lang.